First-time Chia wallet setup is mostly just installing the official desktop wallet. The second part of the video is about setting up a Chia Decentralized ID, or DID. Setting one up may open doors to DID-gated channels and discords, showing up as a verified creator, and most of all, building trust and provenance as you continue to use the Chia blockchain. Let's jump right in. We're going to open up the browser and navigate to chia.net to download the wallet. For this video, we are using Chia Wallet version 1.7. Once the installation is done, open the Chia Wallet app and click the Choose Wallet Mode button to get started. Click the Create New Private Key button to view the associated 24-word mnemonic phrase, which is essentially a password for your funds on the Chia blockchain. Unlike a bank account or a bank password, which can be recovered, a lost mnemonic phrase is impossible to recover. Keep it in a safe place and never share your wallet mnemonic phrase with anyone. Once you've placed it somewhere safe, such as a piece of paper in your safe, click the next button to continue to finish this one-time process. In order to use the blockchain wallet, it first needs to be synchronized. In other words, the wallet app downloads the necessary Chia blockchain data to display your balance and interact with the blockchain. You can't skip this step and maybe require a few minutes. Minting or sending the Chia XCH token or creating your decentralized ID all require synchronized wallet. Keep in mind that the Chia token is called XCH, and XCH can be divided into smaller units called mojos. Further, one XCH can be broken down into 1 trillion mojos, and you can receive 100 mojos from the official Chia faucet for free. First, copy your XCH wallet address from the Chia Wallet app. Next, go back to your web browser and navigate to faucet.chia.net. Paste your wallet address and wait a few minutes to receive 100 mojos. A few minutes later, you'll feel your mojo increase significantly as you get those sweet coins being dropped into your wallet. And now you'll be able to create your Chia Decentralized ID. To do that, you can click on the Settings button, click the tab Profiles, and then click Create to create the new DID. To speed up your request on the blockchain, do supply a small amount of XCH for a transaction fee from your total balance. As of creating this video, we can supply 1 mojo and get a reasonably quick transaction processing time within a minute or two. Not supplying a fee could take longer depending on how many other transactions are currently being processed by the blockchain. Optionally, you can rename the profile after it's been created. This name is only for your local reference and is not published anywhere. Thanks for watching, like it, share it, and subscribe for more in the future.